So on day one we had a wee mihi whakatau and then everyone got a wee patch, so we got these hoodie and these nice fanny packs.
So the purpose of everyone getting a patch and our patching up ceremony is for everyone to feel one. It's about unity, making each other feel more connected to the iwi and more connected to each other.
Day one is all about putting that bond together, and it's really, really great when we see the Ngāti Apa gear being worn out there, whether it's a hat, whether it's a jersey or whatever.
This is Mac. He wanted to learn more about his Ngāti Apa side.
I want to welcome all the nannies, or the mamas, or the uncles, or the papas, or the brothers and sisters who have brought someone to your mana, to mana Rangatahi.
Kia ora, I'm Kingston Henry from Blenheim. I'm 18 years old, and I'm just looking for like real good time meeting all my fellow Uplandesians, and heard there's a mean feed, so cheer.
My name's Madison. I am 12 years old. I'm from Christchurch. My auntie wanted to put me into the one past Christmas, but I really couldn't do it, and then I sounded like so much fun, so I asked if I could go this time. And I'm looking forward to getting to know more people in my iwi.
The coolest thing about Punga Lodge was the scenery and all the mud. Actually, no, that wasn't.
I was going to say that.
On day 3 we headed to Meretoto to train and do some more mahi, rākau and mahi tūwaewae. So we got there and then the rākau crew did a whittle, and then Arwen, Nikita and one of the twins put down a tīpare kawakawa in front of Kupe and Te Whekau Moturangi.
Karanga mai ki ngā mokapuna o Ngāti Apa ki te rato e. Karanga mai, karanga mai, karanga mai.
E kaue mai nei tēnei pohua te tīparerau sa wakawa. Ai tohu mai maharatanga i a koe. O tina koe waka te whake a matura. Ui, ero, hau mai te Māori. Hau mie, ui ei, tai ki au.
So the tīpare kawakawa is made out of kawakawa leaves. So kawakawa you can use for medicine or rongoa Māori.
We went into like the bushy area with the kawakawa leaves, and Nanny Marg showed us either you bend them or you have to use a thing to cut it, but there's a special type of length that you need with the leaves.
We also got taught that the kawakawa, which have more holes, are better for, well, good for the bug, good for us.
We don't take more than what we need. We went back and we sat at that table with everyone coming around.
Then we went on to Nanny Marg showing us how to weave the te pari kawakawa, which are the headbands which are used to take the tapuness out of things and all the negative.
Now we come to today's junior warrior. So I want you to all close your eyes. Okay. I was going to call this name out, but I might get it wrong. So I just want to make sure that I don't get anybody's name wrong. Okay. So just keep still, and if you feel Papa K touch your shoulder, then just remember that. Yeah? Papa, so if you just felt me touch your shoulder, please stand up. Omai te pake pake.
To be junior warrior this year with two others feels, it's quite a cool moment.
I won junior warrior and I'm proud of myself, and I think I did it because I was good at the haka and I was listening the whole time and just joining in.
It is a great feeling and I was pretty proud of myself. In a way, I'm not really sure how I got it. I don't actually know.
Well, you're awesome, dog.
But I don't know how I was awesome.
The things that I enjoyed about this wānanga was learning new waiatas and haka and meeting new friends and hanging out with my cousins.
Yeah, but I feel as though just by participating in everything, trying to give like my best, 100%, I feel like that's kind of paid off in ensuring me like with more knowledge as well. So if you like put in 100%, you're going to get 100%.
Kapa, now we come to the warrior, the senior warrior. This person has been, I'm not going to stretch this out, this person has been with us wānanga for a long, long time. And as she said, she's came as a Pākehā and now she goes as a staunch Māori girl. Nelly J.
So this time I was awarded Senior Warrior. I think because some of the other Ngāti weren't there, I had to step up a little bit and show more leadership skills, and I think that maybe was the reason why I got chosen for Senior Warrior.
Ahoi anō, koe eke anō a mana rangatahi ki taumata ke atu, anei mātou kātahi anō ka mutu i te wānanga tua ngāhuru nei, i roto anō i ngā tau e rima kua hori. No reira tēnei au e noho nei, i roto anō i te poho tō tātou nei whare tūpuna, me te whakaaro ake ki ngā hua kua puta, ki ngā piki me ngā heke o tēnei kaupapa nunui nei me tēnei o ngā whare wānanga hou, e ki ana ko mana rangatahi. So we're just saying goodbye to everybody, and we've just completed the 10th wānanga here at Omaka Marae. We went out to Meretoto, and again, you know, the rangatahi really captured and summarised the journey that each individual rangatahi and Ngāti Apa as a collective have been through over the last 5 years. And it's been great to be able to, over the last 5 years, to nurture these rangatahi and to build a structure and a whare wānanga built specifically to develop the next generation of cultural practitioners for Ngāti Apa ki te rātō. To all of the OGs who over this last week have either sent in messages or who have turned up to support the kaupapa, very soon this kaupapa will be handed over to you for you fellas to be able to take to the next generation, so that the ones like Kamehameha, Hawaii to and all of our babies that are coming through can be guided by you like you have been guided by me. Neira, te ngā kauiti nei, e mihi ana kia tātou katoa. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou.